Today we're going to be putting window visors on my Lancer. Here they are right here. It should be quick and easy, just some 3M tape. But I just want to show you guys how to do it. The easiest way to do it, fastest way to do it. I just wanted to say a quick thank you to my brother Joel for buying these for me for Christmas. Really appreciate it, bro, and I love you. So these are them right here. Look really nice. Can't wait to put them on. So let's just start by opening the box. Alright guys, so we have some instructions here. It's not really instructions, but it is. Basically cleaning it and how to put it on. But yeah, I'm just gonna read over these and see if there's anything I don't know that they want us to do. Oh, pretty simple. It's pretty cool they came with these alcohol pads, so I don't have to get some alcohol myself. But the car's already washed, so I washed it yesterday. So it's already all cleaned up. I'm just gonna be using these alcohol pads on the point where we're gonna be obviously attaching them with a 3M. So yeah, let's just get started with that now. Alright, so first we're gonna get started with the long one. So right now I'm on the passenger side door, and basically this is gonna be this is not the right one. This is the one. So basically it just fits right on, and yeah, it comes with the 3M here. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna take each end of the 3M tape sides. I'm gonna be removing it a little bit, removing this out a little bit, not the whole thing, so that I can like get the corners right basically. And when I get the corners right, make sure everything's okay, I'm gonna peel it all off and just press it on. That's the easiest way to do it. Also, there's a piece at the end that we have to do, so make sure you peel that off a little bit before you put it on. So yeah, let's get started with that. And this is the passenger side front door. Alright, we haven't done the passenger side rear door yet. That one's next, so let's head to it. Alright guys, so we just got the first passenger side window visor in. So it looks really good. Guys, this is like super easy to install. I don't even know why you're watching this video. It's so easy to install. It's basically common knowledge how to do it, but I just decided to make a video about it anyways because some people want to make sure they know what they're doing. But yeah, so first thing we did, put the alcohol swab, put the alcohol pad. We just like cleaned it all up. And then what we did is take the edges here and peeled it off, peel, and basically gave us like an outline. Basically let us be able to outline where we want it to be and make sure that it's lined up right. So make sure you do that, guys. Yeah, so it came out really good. Now we got 3 more left to go. So I'm gonna be doing now is the passenger side rear door. So let's get to that. Alright guys, so I just finished putting them on, and this is the final product. Really like how it looks. They look really cool. I think it has like a small little thing to the car. Makes it look a little more aggressive. As you can tell, the style of my car, the accent on my car is actually black, so adding this is just even better because the more black accents I have, the better the car just looks. So thanks Joel again for giving me these for Christmas. Really appreciate it, bro. I love you. So That's it, guys. I'm gonna start doing the driver's side right now. I'm not gonna show you guys that because it's like the same process. So I'm just gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like if you like the video, comment if you have any questions. I'm doing a 500 subscriber giveaway right now. I believe we're at like 340, so we're reaching that number, guys. So the giveaway is a ductile spoiler that I had on my car. The link to the giveaway will be in the description box, so make sure you click the link in the description box to sign up for the giveaway. Make sure you follow my Instagram as well, jrevs07. I'm getting a lot of followers there. I'm posting a lot of photography pictures, and it's like really fun, and I really enjoy posting these pictures on Instagram, guys. It's like one of my favorite things to do, take pictures of people's cars, and it's just really fun. I like making videos, I like doing pictures. So make sure you guys follow my Instagram, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and thank you. I'll see you guys in the next one.